what does entrepreneurship mean for me? Start up early. What are we trying to do through this workshop? So, entrepreneurship isn't just about starting companies, it is a skill set and a way of thinking. The core of entrepreneurship is building a solution to a problem and taking the necessary steps to make it a reality. I've brought this up again. मैं फिर इस बात को emphasize करूँगा कि हमारा इस वर्कशॉप का मेन मकसद बिज़नेस शुरू करना नहीं है. It is for you to go through this exercise of trying to launch a business, seeing what all it takes to launch a business, and just learning कि ये 10 चीज़ें हैं या ये 20 चीज़ें हैं जो हमें करनी होती हैं, and trying to put you through that process so that you could learn those processes by actually doing it, and hopefully by the next time you do it in a better way. That is our aim of getting you to do it. हम लोग जब कहते हैं कि it is a skill set and a way of thinking, if I wanted to summarize this thought process, is basically trying to get you to be a problem solver. और ये स्किल आपकी ज़िंदगी में कहीं भी यूज़ हो सकती है, whether you go into an internship, whether you're doing a job, whether you're helping out a family member or a friend. You need to have that skill of finding a solution for any problem. अब वो कोई solution किताब में नहीं लिखा हुआ, you can't memorize it, you can't do it in any way, but having some natural traits like being persistent, having a lot of grit, and having that problem solving mentality. That is what we in under the core of every exercise we do. अंदर से हमारा मतलब ये है to put you through an exercise where you become problem solver. I've shown this to you before in some previous sessions also. Mindset, entrepreneurial mindset की हम बात करते हैं कि ये एक mindset आपने develop करना है. You need to be curious, you need to be growth oriented, courage होना ज़रूरी है. मैं जितने 11 चीज़ें सामने लिखी हुई हैं, ये ज़िंदगी के किसी भी फ़ेज़ में आपको हेल्प कर सकती हैं. To be a problem solver, to be optimistic, to redefining failure, to being adaptable, to having empathy. These are all those things. So सिर्फ एक entrepreneurial venture में नहीं काम आती, मगर ये कहीं भी काम आ सकती हैं. So that is what we want you to just be like, problem solving and questioning things. आज का जो topic है, we will get you, we will try to provide you a funnel of how you can think of problems, think differently than every other student out there. Entrepreneurial skill set की बात करें, माइंडसेट, फ़र्क क्या है माइंडसेट और स्किल सेट? अगर आपके पास माइंडसेट है, you need some skills to be able to complement your mindset and bring about an entrepreneurial idea. ये सारी वो चीज़ें हैं जो हम करेंगे इस वर्कशॉप में. These are all those things uh, that you will be touching at different points of this workshop. हम लोग क्रिएटिव होंगे, टीम वर्क. आई एम गेटिंग यू टू generate ideas, generate a team. You'll then be doing some opportunity analysis. फिर as our business model methodology starts, which is point number 8, हम लोग उसमें market research करेंगे, हमारी design thinking का element add होगा, and towards the end of it, we will pitch and present our ideas in the form of a presentation, और उसमें थोड़ी बहुत public speaking भी involved होगी. So once again, I want to congratulate you for taking this step. You are already ahead of your class fellows, your fellow students who are hopefully taking some other extracurricular, but extracurricular लेने के बहुत फायदे हैं. It's very important. As far as you're concerned, you're a step ahead of other students who have not decided to take this workshop. These are all attributes that I feel like lack in some of the subjects we study, for example, in school. मैं आज बहुत एक इम्पोर्टेंट चीज़ के बारे में बात करना चाहता हूँ, एंड दिस इज़ नॉट समथिंग दैट आई जस्ट वांट यू टू अभी आप डेफिनेशन पढ़ोगे इसकी, इन 45 मिनट्स हमारा लेक्चर ख़त्म हो जाएगा. आई जेन्युइनली वांट यू टू बी वेरी अलर्ट in this session. This session, what we'll talk about today, can really define how you start looking at the world. Okay? How I want you to do that is by starting to read these definitions. हम आप difference बताएंगे कि observation और inference में क्या मतलब है. Observation means acquiring information from around the world based on your five senses: seeing, hearing, touching, smelling and tasting. Inference होती है how does your brain process that information? What meaning do you take out of that? And it comes to a conclusion that may or may not be accurate. Observation बहुत factual चीज है. You're not trying to make sense out of it. Inference का मतलब ये होगा कि आप उस चीज का कोई मतलब निकाल रहे हो. For example, you see cucumbers cut on your lunch or dinner table. आपके पास खीरे कटे हुए सामने पड़े हुए हैं. You can see it, you can probably smell the cucumber also. मगर उसका मतलब क्या है? Why are they on the lunch or dinner table? Some of the answers could look like maybe lunch is getting ready, शायद dinner लगने लगा है, शायद कोई salad बनाने लगा है, शायद कोई salad खाने लगा है. So observation is the part where you actually see the cucumber. If you pick it up, you will touch it. If you go close to it, you can smell it. If you eat it, you can taste it. मगर वो क्यों वहाँ पड़ा हुआ है वो ऑब्जर्वेशन में चीज नहीं है. It's all about how you try to make sense out of it. Okay? We'll do a little exercise, but before that, does anyone have any questions regarding observation and inference? Please raise your hand if you do. Okay, let's move on. I don't want anyone to speak without their turn, so any exercise thing that you want to answer, please do raise your hand. When you look at this picture, I first want you to observe things. So I want you to raise your hand and tell me कि आप लोग इन चीज़ों में से observe क्या करते हो. Remember, don't tell me what you infer. इस पिक्चर का मतलब निकालने को अभी नहीं कहा. Just list down the things that you observe. Who will go first? Please raise your hand and start listing down things that you observe. Aisha.
Sir, we can see a black dog, and we can see a child who's lying on the carpet, and we can also see a plate with a half sandwich in it, and we can also see a laptop, a bottle with some sort of liquid in it, and then we can see a cat as well, and we can see some blankets. Some of them are colorful, and the other is like blue and white.
Fantastic, Aisha. Let's go forward and try to engage Vajiha. Vajiha, can you please tell me what you observe in this picture?
Yes, sir. So I can see a child, a dog, and a cat, blankets, and a laptop, a pillow, a plate, a half sandwich, and a bottle,
Brilliant. Next, I
and a
want
rug
to go.
also.
Brilliant. Thank you so much, Vajiha. Rania Iqbal. Rania, can you now
Yes, sir.
bring, can you now infer something from this? कोई मतलब निकालें इस पिक्चर का.
Maybe the little girl was playing with the dog and the cat, and she slept and she could not finish her meal. And maybe she was watching something on the laptop. जब उसको नींद आ गई और वो वहीं रह गया. And yeah.
बिल्कुल, very, very well done. Rania Khan. Rania, can you kindly infer, can you try taking some sense out of what this picture could mean?
So the little girl is having a sandwich while laying down. Maybe she is sick, so she has her dog and the cat with her, and she has blankets over her.
ठीक है, very very well done both of you Ranias. First possible rationale was that she was playing with the dog and cat, felt tired, was watching something on the laptop. बिल्कुल दुरुस्त. These are very accurately pointed out between all four of you who've given a response to this question. ऑब्जर्वेशन में आपने सिर्फ वो चीजें देखनी हैं जो नजर आ रही हैं, मतलब नहीं निकालना उनका. Green pillow, black dog, black cat, laptop, half a sandwich, plate, colorful rug. And then the meaning could be she is already sick, she could have gotten tired while playing with them, or she was already sleeping there and the animals just came and sat with her. Inference multiple चीजों की निकल सकती है. That is what I'm trying to point out in this picture. That the observation is limited. जो आप चीज देख रहे हो, observation में there's no room to be creative. There's no room to be experimental. लेकिन जब inference की बात आती है, so then you can try making 10 stories out of this picture. That is what I want you to kind of notice. Okay, we'll go over another picture. I want Aman to tell me what you observe in this, Aman. Only your observation.
An old woman is standing on the right, and there's another woman on the left who is using her phone, and the woman in the middle has a very big scarf around her face, and she's looking towards the right, and they're all standing on the street, as I can see in the back. There are cars and there are people moving somewhere.
Okay, Aman, आप किस grade में हो?
I'm grade 11.
Aman, can I be a little critical of your answer? There's nothing wrong with it. मैं अगर इसको एक और step पे लेके जाता हूँ. Is it possible that they're standing on a set, on a movie set?
Yes, totally possible.
Okay. And देखो आपके जवाब का कोई गलत मतलब नहीं. I'm trying to go somewhere with this. ठीक है? Is it possible that the girl on the left is not using her phone? She's just pretending to hold it. Is that also possible?
Yes.
Okay. Now once again, there was nothing wrong with your answer. But जब आप observation की बात करते हो, so the idea is to keep it simple, right? How I would have said this is that there are three women standing. I wouldn't have said कि वो गली में खड़े हुए हैं या कहीं और खड़े हुए हैं, right? Because then you're trying to make a meaning out of it. Now I would have said that the girl on the left has a phone in her hand. I wouldn't have said that she's using the phone because I can't actually see the screen, right? So do you understand the difference in these small differences of words that can change the meaning?
Yes, that would make it an inference. If the way I put it, it would be an inference, but the way you put it was an observation. Okay, I got it.
Bilkul, bilkul. So that is what I really want you to kind of point out. Very well, Aman. Okay, let's ask Mowaheed Imran. Mr. Mowaheed, can you tell me what you observe in this picture? Bilkul durust, very well answered, very safe answer. Ibrahim Ahmed, what are you observing in this picture? Ibrahim, can you kindly tell me what you observe in this picture? Okay, Shayan, can you try attempting what an observation would look like?
Yes, sir. Besides what the rest have already said, I think at the back we can also see a train compartment over there.
Okay, I don't really see that. Can you give me another observation,
There
please?
are these poles.
Okay, chalo theek hai. Okay, fair enough. Alize, can you kindly now share an inference? How can you make sense out of this picture? Alize. Acha ji, Hamna, you can answer this,
They're
please.
all wearing warm clothes and so maybe it's really cold, or they are waiting for a bus.
Bilkul. They could be waiting for a bus. They could be, I don't know. The woman in the middle looks like in a hurry. वो जरा देख रही है लेफ्ट पे कि बस किधर है या ट्रेन भी हो सकती है. Maybe the girl on the left is calling an Uber or a Careem or any of those things. So I can sit here and I can try making so many stories out of these, but you understand the point I'm trying to make, class, that ऑब्जर्वेशन, फिर हम डेफिनेशन पे आते हैं. ऑब्जर्वेशन लिमिट करती है आपको. ऑब्जर्वेशन में सिर्फ फैक्ट्स बेस्ड का होते हैं, एंड आई रियली वांट यू टू अंडरस्टैंड दिस डिफरेंस कि ऑब्जर्वेशन सिर्फ फैक्चुअल है, इन्फरेंस से आप अपने उसके कई और मतलब निकाल सकते हैं. ठीक है. दिस इज वेयर आई वांट टू इंट्रोड्यूस टू यू द अपॉर्चुनिटी रिकग्निशन की डेफिनेशन. An opportunity is a favorable set of circumstances that create a need for a new product, service, or business. How can you do this? That is by inferring things that you already see. Now, if you look at this picture, let's ask someone this question. Shanawaz, can you tell me what this picture means to you?
Sorry, sir, can you please repeat?
Can you tell me what this picture means to you?
Sir, it looks as if the fish is making an opportunity cost. It's leaving the place where it has. I don't know, sir. It's very
ठीक है.
confusing. It's just a fish leaving.
No worries.
Or something.
ठीक है, the fish leaving. Okay, sure. Meha, what does this mean to you?
Sir, I think it says that it's okay to be different at some times.
Bilkul, I appreciate that answer. Can anyone else give it a shot?
Can
Please
I
raise
try?
your hand. Ji, Aman, sure.
The fish is trying to take a risk and trying to explore new avenues, and within that passage, she has to go through hardships, and we can see this as she can't breathe in the air, and she'll land in the other bowl
Okay, so
in some time.
ठीक है, Aman, I get it. What about the other fish in the water? And
Those are the conventional people, the people who just
exactly.
live according to the rules of the society.
Conventional people. And how, okay, now from the picture you can see that the fish are the same, right? And Aman has pointed it out correctly that the ones in the bowl are very conventional. You are basically surrounded by other humans, by other individuals. What I'm trying to get you to think is think differently, think like an entrepreneur, start making sense out of things you see in your daily lives. चीज़ों को सवाल करना शुरू करें. You go to your school, you wear the same uniform, you go to school with the same path, same route every day, going back, same route every day. There's nothing wrong with that, but have you ever questioned why do you wear a uniform to school? Do you question why do you take the same route to school? काफ़ी चीज़ों का जवाब बहुत obvious होगा जो already आपको पता है. But in general, we want you to start questioning things, start probing people, elders, teachers, fellow class fellows. ये क्यों ऐसे होता है? ये क्यों वैसे होता है? Start questioning little things, and that is where you will set yourself apart from every other student out there. You need to be inquisitive. You need to start questioning things so you can understand them better. How you look at things are different than how anyone else would look at them. So it's very important for you to stand out from the crowd, for you to stand out as an individual who's more curious, who's more growth oriented, You need to do things differently. And what those things are starting off with being inquisitive and questioning things that you normally wouldn't question. That is what I really want you to do. And going back to the start of the lecture, that entrepreneurship isn't just about starting companies, it's a skill set, it's a way of critiquing, thinking, and being analytical about it. अगर मैं इसको ब्रेक डाउन करूं बहुत ही छोटे लफ्जों में, अपने क्लास फेलो से ज़्यादा सवाल पूछने हैं, अपने फैमिली मेंबर से हर चीज़ को सवाल जवाब करना है ताकि बेहतर अंडरस्टैंडिंग आपकी क्रिएट हो. That is what we want you to do. I've been talking about trying to give you an idea of how you can come up with ideas, how you can brainstorm, how you can brainwrite ideas. हमने 3 तरीकों में इसको ब्रेक डाउन किया हुआ है. And once again, there is no hard and fast rule to come up with a business idea. But we do try to provide you a little pathway of how you can do that. आप या तो observe कर सकते हो trends को. You can be observing trends. You can solve a problem. And you can find gaps in the marketplace. Let's go a little deeper into every one of these particular situations. Observing trends की बात करते हैं. I'll give you 1 minute to go over this slide, read through it, and then I'll try explaining it slightly better. What do you see in front of you is how can you pick on a trend. These are some breakdown of things के economically आपकी क्या situation है. Like this government is encouraging you to export more, import less. Then आपकी social forces क्या हैं, लोगों को क्या पसंद आता है पाकिस्तान में, टेक्नोलॉजी कितनी अवेलेबल है. अगर मैं तीसरे पॉइंट के बारे में बात करूं, what are the technology avenues available here, how can you try to make the most out of this. If you're in the US तो वहाँ थोड़ी टेक्नोलॉजी ज़्यादा है. आपने अपनी रियलिटी के साथ बड़ा रियलिस्टिक होना है, ठीक है. And then lastly, you look at political and regulatory changes, new changes. If you want to make this particular screen technical, it can be technical, but if I make it very easy for you, what I really want you to identify is your own strengths and weaknesses. Okay. There are some industries that Afia, Ahmed, Alize, Aman, Aisha, Hamna, Meha, Mowahid, Shayan, Ibrahim, Rania, Shanwaz, Vajiha, Uzama, all of you have different strengths and weaknesses. Okay. Some of your parents may be doctors. Some of your parents may be lawyers. Some may be in the business world. Some may be educators. They can all belong from any field. You will know more about those fields that you are surrounded by than any other person. Okay. For instance, my parents are lawyers. I am bound to know more about lawyers than I would about doctors, for instance. So it's very important to look at yourself, see what information you have more than another thing that in your life could be there. Where are your interests lied more? What do you know about technology, political forces, economic? आपने अपनी रियलिटी के मुताबिक देखना है कि किस ट्रेंड में आप कोई प्रोडक्ट या बिजनेस का आइडिया सोच सकते हो. You want to look at your strengths and try to pick on those particular points. That what are you good at? What are your skills that you already have? List those down if it helps you, but do keep those in mind when you think about the ideas you want to work on. Solving a problem is the second way. Sometimes identifying opportunities simply involves noticing a problem and finding a way to solve it. The best ideas in the world come from a problem someone faces. कि आज मुझे कोई तकलीफ हो रही है of doing any task or chore, and it turned out that so many other people also face that problem. This is where the best ideas come from. Every student, every fish in this pond has problems, even the one that is flying in midair. How an entrepreneur can set themselves apart is by analyzing a problem and then going a step further and doing some research in trying to find out the solution to that problem. So that is what will set you apart. I'm not saying कि problem सिर्फ आपको ही है as an entrepreneur. Problem pond में हर मछली को है. But we often don't pay emphasis to any problem. We just want to go ahead and not do anything about it. What I want you to do is start identifying some problems that you face and then going a step further and seeing कि उस मसले का कोई हल available है या नहीं है. I spoke about my idea, Preserve the Portable Battery Pack, जिसकी मैंने वीडियो भी आपको पहले हफ्ते में दिखाई थी. The problem I personally faced was charging my phone at night. मुझे रात को अपना फ़ोन चार्ज करने में नहीं इंटरेस्ट था. I knew that it could only harm my phone. But because I had some inquisitiveness, I had a willpower to go ahead and question कि ये प्रॉब्लम यार ये सिर्फ मेरा ही प्रॉब्लम है या ये आफिया का भी प्रॉब्लम है, अलीज़े का भी है, शायान का भी है, उजामा का भी है, किसी और का मसला है या नहीं है. That is what will set you apart also. Because I did some research and figured out कि ये और लोगों का भी मसला है, I then started finding a solution for it. If the problem is bothering other people, then there is a need for that product in the market. And that is why I came up with a solution. And hence, in one way or the other, I converted it into a business model. So think of problems you face and then go on Google and research कि यार कोई हल है इस मसले का या नहीं. For some of you, maybe waking up early in the morning is a problem. Is there an alarm clock that can physically come and tap you on your shoulder and wake you up? I don't know. The answer to it is only going to be figured out once you show the grit and growth mindset to go ahead and try to see कि भाई हम इसका कोई हल निकाल सकते हैं या नहीं. And then the third way, finding gaps in the marketplace. क्या है gap in the marketplace? A gap in the marketplace is often created when a product or service is needed by a specific group of people but doesn't represent a large enough market to be of interest to mainstream retailers or manufacturers. आप कोई छोटा बिजनेस भी शुरू कर सकते हो. ज़रूरी नहीं है कि बिजनेस बहुत बड़ा हो. You can cater to a small problem and pick a niche of who you want to sell your product to. A little example of that is Sunsilk shampoo came up with a shampoo for women who cover their heads. Women covering their heads have different things that they need in their head once they go and shampoo. तो उन्होंने एक फर्क शैम्पू निकाल दिया. एक और स्टार्टअप है जिसने डाइट कुकीज निकालनी जिसमें शुगर यूज नहीं होती. वो भी एक छोटा सेक्टर है मार्केट का जिसको केटर तो करना है एंड में. अब जो मार्केट में ओरियोज चोको बिस्किट्स मिलते हैं और एनी नेम दैट यू कैन थिंक ऑफ, दे आर नॉट शुगर फ्री. So even this is a way to think of an idea that you could potentially pursue. So going back to this slide, in a nutshell, थोड़ा आसानी पैदा करने के लिए इनको 3 पार्ट्स में डिवाइड किया हुआ है. बट मेरे लिए पिक्चर, मैं बार बार इस पिक्चर पे आऊँगा बिकॉज आई वॉन्ट यू टू बी इंक्विजिटिव. रिसर्च करो, चीज़ को ऑनलाइन देखो, हर चीज़ का जवाब आज गूगल पे है. You don't need to go out and do a survey with people, or काफी हद तक सारे जवाब आपको इसी कुर्सी पे जिस पे आप बैठे हैं उस पे मिल जाएंगे with a little bit of an effort and trying to experiment and try to get some answers from Google. And once again, अपनी reality देखो, मेरी strength किधर lie करती है? What are my strengths like? Where can I find a gap in the market? Who am I working with? Come to a conclusion of where your strengths lie. And I'm not saying कि ये आज ही आपको figure out कर लोगे या कल ही figure out कर लोगे. Maybe in the third business idea that you pursue, you identify that strength that you have. But the best part is that all of you are so young, and mashallah, all of you have taken that pledge of starting any enterprise at this age, that inshallah, when you do it after school or the second or third time, even when you're in school, you will just be much better at the process. Why? Because you're doing it today. That is the most important thing. Because you're taking that leap of faith, because you're trying to launch a business idea today, tomorrow when you go ahead and launch a business idea, you will naturally be better at it. It's just like doing anything in life. Today you play football, tomorrow you will be better at it. Today you study science, tomorrow you will be better at it. Today you connect yourself on Zoom, tomorrow you will do it easily in lesser time. Everything that you do second, third, 10th, 100th time, naturally you will be better at it. And it's the same with starting a business. Okay. So this is the end of today's presentation. I hope collectively we were able to look a little deep inside, critique ourselves, question that there needs to be a willpower for you to question things, try to look at things differently. Mark Zuckerberg, Bill Gates, Elon Musk, all the entrepreneurs that we saw in the last class, there was something different about them than every other individual that didn't come up with those products. The inquisitiveness were there, the persistence were there. We talk about all these attributes that we saw. इनमें से at least 8 or 9 will be present in the most successful entrepreneurs. So at the end of the day, they're not superhuman. They're not Avengers. They're not any Marvel character. They're humans. They just had a different way of thinking and a different pursuit that they adapted. And I hope all of you turn out to be that way and set yourselves apart from your fellow class fellows and students. Brainstorming ji, I've been telling you, idea final करने हैं, team final करनी है. Teams आप लोग खुद decide करेंगे. I don't know your work ethic personally, so I don't want Afia to work with Alize or Emma to work with Aman. I don't know who will work well together. या आप लोगों की अपनी call होनी चाहिए. Which is why I'm saying if you want friends to work with, you should know that यार ये बंदा काम करेगा नहीं करेगा. ये ना हो कि teams बन जाए एंड में बंदा काम ही ना कर रहा हो. So make the teams yourself.
Sir, can we work alone, or is it?
Aman, it's not recommended to work alone. I will not encourage that, but if you insist on working alone, then I will not even say no. So that's your call. Okay? I will encourage you to work with someone. ठीक है? ज़्यादा ज़रूरी चीज़ ये है कि मुझे अब there are 16 participants in this group today. I want your emails by Wednesday next week or maximum Thursday. कि सर हमारी ये टीम है and these are our 5 ideas. अगले हफ्ते की क्लास में I will be giving no presentation. We will go to every individual or team and listen to their 5 ideas. Okay? जब मैं आफिया का आइडिया डिस्कस कर रहा हूँ और उसको क्रिटिक कर रहा हूँ या उसको मैं प्रेज कर रहा हूँ तो उसमें अहमद की भी लर्निंग है, अलीज़े की भी है और बाकी सबकी है. And vice versa, when I am talking about Usama's idea with his team and when I'm looking at his 5 ideas, तो उसमें हर टीम का भी फायदा है. So by Wednesday
Sir,
or Thursday
sir,
next
is it
week,
compulsory to work in groups? Can I just do an individual task?
firstly, everyone, I will appreciate it if you can just raise your hand so I can, stop my sentence and then ask you the question, please. I will request that. And secondly, I just answered that question for Aman. You can work alone, but I will encourage you to try working in a team. Regardless of anything, what we can do is all of you can send me your respective ideas. 4-5 आइडिया ज़रूरी हैं. मुझे लंबी तफसील में ऐसे नहीं चाहिए. I just want your simple email by Wednesday and Thursday कि सर मेरे ये 4-5 आइडियाज़ हैं in simple pointers. And then I will see which idea is something that would be best fit for this workshop. Okay. Now, does anyone have any questions regarding what you have to do for next week? Any questions? Was I clear enough? जी अमान, शाहनवाज, नेहा.
क्या हाल? एक मिनट बाबा. Yes, sir.
Neha, any questions?
No, sir. Thank you so much.
Okay, Afia, Ahmed, Alize, Aman, Aisha, Hamna, Meha, Mohit, Shayan, Ibrahim, Rania Khan, Shahnawaz, Zainab, Vijiha, Uzama.
No, sir, no questions.
Okay, fantastic. I've taken everyone's name. If anyone has any questions, please feel free to ask me right now.
Sir, what is your email?
G, email I will just send in the group. Okay?
Okay, thank you.
No worries.
Sir, can an
Any
idea
और?
be an app?
G. Aman, who will develop the app? Who will code the app? So once again, I will list down the bare main facts of your idea. कि please ऐसा कोई idea ना लाएं जो आप खुद ना बना सकें. Like a rocket ship or an iPhone, or अगर मैं अभी app की बात करूं तो app is tough to make, Aman. And what sort of
True.
app? कोई ऐसी app है? Who will code the app? Who will design the app? Who will implement it? Get it? It gets a little tough. थोड़ा मुश्किल काम है. मगर आप अगर मुझे कह सको कि नहीं सर मैं इस वेबसाइट पे जाके ये करूंगा, उस वेबसाइट पे जाके ये करूंगा, and I will bring it together. And if you can convince me, I'm not sitting here telling you that I am the last authority on any idea, but you have to prove some little thing to me कि मैं ये कर भी सकता हूँ या नहीं. What I wouldn't want is that Aman has spent the entire workshop just trying to put the app together or just trying to research on the idea. I want you to take quick progressive steps trying to launch an idea. Okay? So I won't say no, but have these answers prepared. कि कौन बनाएगा ऐप, डिजाइन कौन करेगा, कोड कौन करेगा. So you need to have everything that you can do yourself in one way or the other. ठीक है?
Okay.
It's not going to be easy. I'm not saying this workshop is going to be a stroll in the park. I know because your skill sets, you're very young, you don't possess many skills that a founder or an entrepreneur does in their late 20s or 30s or whatever. But the way we have designed this workshop, उसमें ज़रूरी ये है कि आप एक सादा सा idea पकड़ें and you try to launch it as opposed to picking up on a technical idea that you spend a lot of time researching on. Okay? But if you can prove it otherwise, then I will let you do it. ठीक है?
Okay.
Any other questions?
Can we use an existing idea or startup that we have made and just
Yes.
develop it?
Aman, firstly, thank you for asking all these questions and raising these points. Absolutely. मैं आपको ये भी नहीं कह रहा हूँ कि कोई नई चीज़ करनी है. You can pick on any product or service that is being launched or that is being sold in Pakistan currently and tell me that you want to do this, okay? Repeating and doing something already in the market is something I will encourage you to do, लेकिन कोई ना कोई यूनिक एलिमेंट उसमें कोई डिफरेंट चीज़ होनी ज़रूरी है। आप कहो कि सर मैं इसको ब्रांड बेहतर कर सकता हूँ, इसकी क्वालिटी बेहतर हो सकती है या ये मैं ज़्यादा सस्ता प्रोवाइड कर सकता हूँ। So for sure you can pick on an idea in the US, in Pakistan that is already being done, but tell me कि सर हम ये थोड़ा मुख्तलिफ करेंगे इसमें। अगर तो बाहर का आइडिया है जो आप लोकल लाते हो, उसमें तो कोई नई चीज़ ज़रूरी नहीं है, लेकिन if you pick on an idea that is already being done in Pakistan, then I will ask you to tell me how is it different from what the Pakistani company is doing.
और सर अगर मैंने कोई
Okay.
चीज प्रोडक्ट बना लिया हुआ है और उसी को मैं अगर अप्रूव करवाने के लिए और उसके अंदर इम्प्रूवमेंट्स लाने के लिए,
That would be amazing. If that is amazing, if anyone is already working on a product or an idea, you can definitely bring that forward.
ओके
Aman, because no one else is asking me many questions, for the sake of everyone else, do you want to ask any more questions?
नॉट रियली
Okay. Chale, I hope these questions provided some clarity. Anyone else? Any questions? I'm always available. Email कर दें. WhatsApp avoid करिएगा. I am very मुझे email भी उतनी जल्दी मिलती है जितना WhatsApp. तो I do prefer emails. मगर अगर email का जवाब नहीं आ रहा, yeah, there's some delay, then you can obviously send me a reminder. Although I will make sure that I am responsive. Okay. So if we have no questions left, let's end today's session. And I look forward to next week